Hello lovely people, in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to create this look different, leaving something a little more intense on the eyes today. But I wanted to create a look which would be suitable for a night out, maybe even special occasion like a prom, wedding. Just about that would be suitable for those times when you want to glam yourself up, you want to go with something a little bit intense, and the eyes, I think that this look is just perfect for that. Anyway, hope you guys enjoy your watching. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Without wasting any more time, let's just start this video. So primer, today I'm going to use this. It's Rani Bollywood filter primer. Whenever you use silicone based primer like this one, you have to kind of pressing in your skin little bit.
You're sick of my madness. Don't you tell me what I supposed to do. You're better off without me. Don't you tell me what I supposed to do. When I'm walking on the streets half naked, it's part of me, it's part of me.
Next I am going to use a concealer, and I'll be using this one. This is Studio Swiss Beauty Palette Concealer. I am going to use a little bit of concealer in all the dark areas of my face, basically all these areas, and I am going to use a blending sponge.
When I'm making my bright makeup, it's part of me, it's part of me. When you're crushing on my dreams and you're making me so full, get out of my life. I know what I'm supposed to do. When you're crushing on my dreams and you're making me so full, I know what I'm supposed to do. I know what I'm supposed to do. I know what I'm supposed to do.
Next, for a foundation, I am trying out a new foundation. Make sure I don't know how I feel about it yet, but I mixed the beauty blender Mars foundation with the new We Have a foundation, the Swiss Beauty foundation. I have it initiated, which is a little bit too that for me. I ordered a few shades, but lighter, because I feel like I'm gonna read all of this foundation on, but I want to try out a shade which is going to be a more suitable for me. So I mix it with the Swiss Beauty and Mars foundation by Beauty Blender and bring it closer to my skin tone. So I already want to see it. It's going to be a long lasting, how it's gonna be look on my skin after a while, and I'm happy. Next, for my brows, I am actually using a new product on my brows as well. This Maybelline Tattoo Brow Pomade. I use the shade 3, and I think that it's perfect for me. Actually, I am gonna have all the products that I am using today. Link will be description box, so check them out. Then I drop out of shape, then I brush them upwards and fill out all the gaps.
Bright makeup, I know what I'm supposed to do.
I am gonna start off by priming my eyes. I am using the Phantom Beauty Pro Filter Eyeshadow Primer and using some loose powder. I will set just my crease area. Well, nice primed eyelids, ready for some colors today, but a nice and smooth and even out base is always important. No matter what kind of work you're doing, you wanna have that a smooth base so that you can create your masterpiece.
You're sick of my madness. Don't you tell me what I supposed to do. Better off without.
So for today's look, I decided to use the Swiss Beauty palette. It has beautiful shade, but it also some eyeshadows, and I thought to have something more cool toned, something more warm toned. It's a nice mixture of more natural shades. So I haven't tried out yet. This is going to be my first time using this palette, and I was started off with this shade. Hold on, let me see them better. Okay. Okay, I am gonna start off with this shade, and this is going to be our crease color. You want to use a big fluffy brush to apply this color, and want a smooth circular motion, just blend it into your crease. Okay.
Don't you tell me what I'm supposed to do when I'm walking down the streets half naked. It's part of me, it's part of me. When I'm making my bright makeup, it's part of me, it's part of me. When you're crushing on my dreams and you're making me so full. Get out of my life. I know what I'm supposed to do when you're crushing on my dreams and you're making me so full. I know what I'm supposed to do.
I am gonna darken up my crease now. I would take some of this shade right here. I am using little bit more flat brush for this, still fluffy but kind of flat. Okay, switching up to my bigger blending brush that I used to apply the previous shade in. I am blending it out. The credit allows our spotlight effect. You need to add a darker color in the outer corner of your eyes and in the inner corner, so that way the bright style that you added in the center of your eyelids will really pop, and it will create that really nice 3D effect, I guess, spotlight. However, I find that if I added really dark eyeshadows in the inner corner of my eyes, it look really intense on me, and it kind of makes me look angry when I'm actually not, so I avoid doing that. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add a really dark color in the outer corner of my eyes, but I'm gonna add a slightly lighter shade in the inner corner of my. It's still going to be a little bit darker than what I used in my crease, but it won't be as dark as the shade in the outer corner of my eyes.
I know what I'm supposed to do.
So I am gonna take this shade and I'll place that in the inner corner of my eyes. Okay, and for the other outer corner I'll take this shade darker color in my crease and blending it out, diffusing really gently edges and harsh lines.
I know what I'm supposed to do. Bright makeup. I know what I'm supposed to do. When you're crushing on my dreams and you're making me so full. I know what I.
To the next level, the sparkly stuff in the center of the eyelid, that will change the look so much. You can use whatever you want. You can even use glitter if you want, but I'm gonna go with some loose sparkly eyeshadow. And of course, if I'm gonna use the Makeup Forever Starlit powder in the shade 13. I love this thing. It's so bright, you guys. I'm going with that Makeup Forever Started powder. Wow. Okay. This will transform this look so much, you guys. I am telling you, after we added the shimmer, it will be a totally different look. This shining thing in the center will make this look so stunning. I promise you. Applying metallic and shimmery and foiled eyeshadow work best with your finger. Honestly, there are no better tools to apply that kind of eyeshadow with matte eyeshadow. Obviously need brush, but with the shimmery one, use your finger. Oh my god, wow.
I know what I'm supposed to do. What I.
Next up we have the eyeliner. I'm gonna use the Sugar Cosmetic eyeliner shade Black.
You're sick of my madness. Don't you tell me what I'm supposed to do. You're better off without me. Don't you tell me what I'm supposed to do when I'm walking on the streets half naked. It's part of me, it's part of me. When I'm making my bright makeup, it's part of me, it's part of me. When you're crushing on my dreams and you're making me so full. Get out of my life. I know what I'm supposed to do when you're crushing on my dreams and you're making me so full. I know what I'm supposed to do. I know what I'm supposed to do.
Now just set the base first. I'll be using Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Compact Powder. I am first going to set the areas around my eyes. So with powder brush, I am going to take a little bit of powder, dust it and start setting my base lightly with it. They just make the skin look more hydrated and dewy and nice. And why you don't use it under your eyes? It because anything which has little bit of sheen and does not look nice and directly under your eyes.
I know what I'm supposed to do.
Next for a contouring, I am using Sugar Cosmetic Palette Bronzer and I am lightly contouring my cheekbones and my jawline here.
Bright makeup. I know what I'm supposed to do.
Alright, moving on to blush, I'll be using my Glam blush shade Peachy Pink.
You're sick of my madness. Don't you tell me what I'm supposed to do.
Next, I am going to use Swiss Beauty Highlighter Insta Glow. I am first going to highlight my inner corner, my brow bone, just a little bit highlighter, just a hint of highlighter.
Better off without me. Don't you tell me what I'm supposed to do. When I'm walking on the streets half naked, it's part of me, it's part of me. When I'm making my bright makeup, it's part of me, it's part of me. When you're crushing on my dreams and you're making me so full, get out of my life. I know what I'm supposed to do. When you're crushing on my dreams and you're making me so full, I know what I'm supposed to do. I know what I'm supposed to do.
Next, I am going to use Lakme Mascara.
I know what I'm supposed to do.
I am going to take this shade from this Shy Style palette and apply it on the top of my eyes and done. Lastly, I am going to use NY by lipstick shade Brown Nude.
Bright makeup. I know what I'm supposed to do. When you're crushing on my dreams and you're making me so full, I know what I'm supposed to do.
Hope you guys enjoyed watching. Hope you like how this would come out. That Swiss Beauty palette didn't disappoint me. Go and follow me on my Instagram and also on my Facebook, Twitter. All the links will be down in the description box, so check them out. And if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, go ahead and do it now. Hit the red subscribe button and also don't forget to press the bell button, which is right next to it, because that way you'll get a notification every time I upload a new video in my channel. If you like this video, do like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Share it with your friends and family. Love you all. Bye bye.